Parang ano dito, no? Parang may kabayuhan dito dati. Parang open lang, no? Ah, may bike rental din pala dito. Ayun, no? Rental bicycle are allowed only at the designated area. Bikers who stray from this designated area will be apprehended. Bike at on your risk. Spending is strictly prohibited. Park is not responsible for any accident that may occur during your biking activities. Children must be accompanied and tended to by an adult all times. Ayan. Unawa. Dito pala bike rental.